Excellent news is that your diet may be the key to control this problem. Whether you take medicine or not, food has an impressive power that can change the course your disease takes. What foods lower high blood pressure, and much more than just showing you a list. We are going to tell you how to make the most of their benefits. Here we will show you the best and most effective foods, selected for their extensive scientific support. But before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel, so you can find out all the valuable information we have for you. Without further ado, we start with our list. The first food is raw garlic. Regarding the pressure, garlic contains a substance called allicin and many other antioxidants that when activated promote the production of nitric oxide in our body. This is a substance that when in contact with your blood vessels, dilates them, making them more flexible, and thanks to this the heart makes less force to pump blood. That is, it improves your circulation and makes the blood flow without exerting so much force against the walls of the arteries. Now, there is a secret to be able to activate allicin. Ingest raw garlic. It can be crushed in pieces, broken in some way. It can be cut, but it is necessary that its internal components are mixed to be able to be activated. What is recommended is 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic per day. And if eating it raw causes you some stomach discomfort, you can cook it. How are you going to cook it? Place them in the oven at a temperature no higher than 60 degrees for less than 3 minutes in order to preserve all their properties. In addition, incorporating garlic to your meals helps to reduce salt consumption. Second food on our list, beets. Studies have shown that daily consumption of 250 milliliters of its juice or 250 grams reduces the maximum blood pressure. Curiously, its effect is seen in the short term. That is, it is able to lower the pressure even on the same day you consume it. Ideally, it should be consumed daily. What is the importance of reducing blood pressure? Lowering blood pressure directly reduces the risk of having strokes. In third place we have citrus fruits, especially grapefruit, orange, and lemon. They contain potassium, magnesium, vitamins, lots of water, and other substances that together lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The important thing in relation to citrus fruits and fruits in general is to consume them whole, because by consuming the whole fruit we are also ingesting the fibers, which prevent the absorption of too much sugar and avoid insulin peaks. In addition, if we consume only the juice without the fibers, we are consuming a lot of fructose, which is directly related to liver damage. Regarding lemons, a study showed that drinking water with a squeezed lemon every day and walking between 5 and 10,000 steps daily are powerful allies to reduce blood pressure. But be careful. Citrus fruits, especially grapefruit, can interfere with some medications you are using. For example, anticoagulant remedies, blood pressure control remedies such as nifedipine, amlodipine, and cholesterol-lowering drugs such as statins. Always consult with your nutritionist and your doctor if you use medications in general. Fourth, vegetables are rich in potassium, especially leafy greens such as broccoli, cabbage, and spinach, which help your kidneys eliminate the excess sodium you consume. Consuming enough potassium and little sodium, or eliminating more sodium, it is associated with better blood pressure control. What is advised is to incorporate these vegetables every day 4 or 5 servings and in a varied manner. One of the most scientifically supported foods is chard. Consuming 145 grams of chard per day contains 20% of the potassium and 30% of the magnesium that your body needs to eat. As for fruits, all of them are very good because they contain potassium, magnesium, vitamins. But the best fruit is undoubtedly the pomegranate. Several studies show that consuming 250 milliliters of pomegranate juice per day lowers blood pressure. Not only dilates your blood vessels and improves circulation, but its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant power is even superior to that of red fruits. It even helps increase testosterone in men and works as an aphrodisiac in both men and women. The pigment that gives color to blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, contains a substance called anthocyanin, which produces vasodilation. It relaxes the wall of your arteries, increases their flexibility, and improves circulation. Why in fifth place? We have nuts such as walnuts, almonds, and peanuts. They are an excellent fruit of healthy fats, besides producing satiety. Among them, the pistachio stands out. Consume between 30 and 60 grams of pistachio per day. Ideally, it is directly associated with better blood pressure control. And instead of salt, you can add other condiments such as black pepper, turmeric, lemongrass, which we will talk about later. Also, we have sunflower seeds, pumpkin, chia, flaxseed, which are very important sources of potassium and magnesium. They have substances that produce vasodilation. They are also an important source of zinc that improves your immune system and are an important source of omega-3. Among these, pumpkin seeds stand out. Pumpkin seeds, besides containing potassium, magnesium, also contain amino acids that are very important to produce nitric oxide. In fifth place, we have the carrot and celery. Several studies show that consuming 500 milliliters of carrot juice and celery mixed together reduce blood pressure, and in addition to improving hypertension, help control metabolic syndrome, insulin resistance, and may even prevent diabetes. Do you like chocolate? I have good news for you. Consuming it occasionally, especially dark chocolate with 70% cocoa, lowers your blood pressure, contains antioxidants and other substances that stimulate the formation of nitric oxide. They make your heart have to use less force to pump blood. And as icing on the cake, I want to tell you about herbs, spices, and seasonings that you can use especially as a replacement for salt. The best ones are cardamom, black pepper, turmeric, basil, lemongrass, coriander, and black cumin. At the same time, you can combine these condiments, these herbs, with the seeds that I told you or with salads, causing a multiplication of the effect to improve your health. It is important to reduce the consumption of red meats, replacing these meats with fish, for example sardines, tuna, salmon, which are rich in healthy fats at least 3 times a week. Avocado is also an excellent source of healthy fats. All this helps to improve your blood pressure control. Don't forget to increase your water intake. Many times symptoms such as headache, malaise, chronic fatigue, even elevated blood pressure are somehow related to dehydration. It is advised to drink between 2 and 3 liters of water a day. But if you want to be more specific, drink between 20 and 30 milliliters per kilo you have. This makes your kidneys work better and more efficiently eliminate sodium and toxins that accumulate in your body. In general, the best diet for your blood pressure should contain 2 to 3 servings of dairy products to increase your calcium intake, 4 to 5 servings of fruits, 4 to 5 servings of vegetables always varied, mixed colors, and 6 to 8 servings of whole foods. Always remember to consult your doctor and nutritionist, especially if you have advanced liver or kidney problems. I hope you liked the video. Leave us a comment, share this material, and give us a like, because this is what helps us to keep growing and making more videos for you.